Alright guys, it's the middle of the week. It's Wednesday. It's hump day. I am your girl Norleen, and today I will be doing a quick, easy, scrumptious meal for you. Now, for all those who can relate, you're a mother, you're a wife, you might be an older sibling who's taking care of younger kids, and you get in from work, you're tired, you just go to the bathroom, get off your makeup, put up your hair, jump in the kitchen because we need to get something on the family table like quick, fast, and in a hurry. I will show you how you can use whatever you have leftovers in the fridge and make for the family a quick, easy, scrumptious meal. It is filling and it is delicious. Remember guys, like, subscribe to my channel. So the link down there, so subscribe to my channel, like my video, let me know that you're watching. Let me know that you're enjoying the meals that I am preparing. Let me even know if you have tried the meals in your family kitchen. And remember, like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell, guys, so you will get videos as soon as I upload them. Love you all. Peace. Cooking time. I saw it go. Alright guys, so today we're going to do a dirty rice. And you see I have 3 eggs. We're just going to take out some things that we have in the refrigerator. Like I said before, we're just going to beat the 3 eggs. And then 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to scramble the eggs, right? So, we just, everybody know how to scramble egg already. I'm not telling how to scramble egg. I don't know how to scramble eggs already. So, we're going to scramble the eggs. Ensure that we get it all nice and scrambled because you know egg kind of have like a rawness there. Yeah. So we're gonna remove that, and of course we're getting ready to put our next set of ingredients in. So again, oil. I have onion finely chopped and green scallion. Then to that I will add, of course, the sweet corn. So I have my whole sweet corn. I'm gonna add that to it, and of course the carrots. Yeah, we're gonna stir fry that. If you notice, my heat is on high, so I'm stir frying all of that, and I will keep my heat on high for most of the cooking. So we're going to stir that. Then trust me, I have some chicken left over from Sunday. I'm going to have some sausage. Any sausage you want to use, people, you can use whether it be chicken or beef. I only eat chicken or beef. So I cut up my sausage with leftover chicken them. I'm going to add that in it too, and everybody has stir up. Remember, in the fridge, so we have stir them up, fry them up nicely, and of course the dirty rice you go well dirty. You understand? Alright, see there, ginger root jump in. Of course the garlic in the pot. This has smell good, people. No, which one of the day so smell this. It smells wonderful. You see that ginger smell there, and boy, you see that smell there? I'm adding a tablespoon of blended season, and I want everything. I want the season to cook in, so I add just about a 1/3 cup of water in it. I want it come back to a fry. You see, after it come back to a fry, see there? I'm adding some pak choy in it. We have to add in a little more vegetable in it. Put them, when you mix up everything, put them don't even know. Say you put in vegetable in it. So we make space in the center of the pot by pushing the ingredients to the side, adding the rice. Yeah, out of it come from. So we are adding the rice, and whatever rice you cook on Sunday, you can always use this for your dirty rice. Adding a tablespoon of margarine. Again, in the center, we're cooking from the center out because I'm gonna fold from the inside, from the outside in. So I fold it in, I stir fry everything. I continue frying, stir it up, make the flavor then blend up, mix up. Because taste good, we say 100% all the time. And that here depend on want to put them eat up it. So, see it now, add back the eggs. The eggs out there, scramble from the beginning. We are going to add that to it. Continue stir fry, make all of the flavors. Then we in the pot, it's incorporated in the eggs. So we have nice tasting eggs. See it now, all of my bell pepper, them red, green, all of that adding it now. Want my bell pepper them to be nice and delicious. So we don't really want to overcook the bell pepper them, but we want the flavors them incorporated in the bell pepper. But we don't really want it to be overcooked because too we want it to have color in our meat. See it now? Browning and seasoning sauce. We are going to add about a tablespoon of that to it. We're going to add some black pepper. You can add whatever powder seasoning you want to it. See it there? Add in your tomato them. And this almost done enough, people. In less than 20 minutes, this your dinner you done. I'm just use leftover things in the kitchen from Sunday dinner. We have just throw everything in one pot and make one nice one pot meal. Stir him up, nice him up, turn it up, watch the flavor, watch the color, people. I say people them are gonna love this. Taste it. It tastes good. Thing ready to put on the plate, and trust me, it makes a quick one pot delicious dinner meal. It can be for lunch like how they're home now, COVID time and now they're home. Yeah, see it now, people. Served on a platter with avocado and tomato slice. It's another of my mother's recipe from my pot onto my daughter's table. Like and subscribe, people.